to a toy a day. It's me, Nickel the Pickle. We got birds from around the world. We only got 2 left. We still need to get the blue boy with his blue egg. Hopefully we get that one, because you know we got the secret down here. So hopefully we still get the blue boy. Before we get into that, I got a little extra thing here. I got a few blind bags from someone I care about. This is one of them. Look at this thing. It's a pig. Look at this crazy pig and his knife. I thought it looked cool, so I decided I'd open the second one on the show. Here it is. Piggy. Look at all these things. I opened the one and I was like, this is cool. I'll open the second on the next episode. They're hard to get into, so you gotta knife it. Even the knife had a hard time. Let's see what we get here. Whoa. What is this? There's no cards or nothing. I mean, it has like the face of a pig. But what's it? It's like Dr. Octopus with pigs. This is wild. I just, it's 4 years. They're way cooler than what I thought it was going to be. But yeah, look at this thing. Look at that thing. It's creep. What is up with these pigs? I like them. I like them. Alright, I think we're going to get the blue boy today. I think that's just it. We did not. Saw him right out the bag. We got a little boy with chest hair here. Which one is it? That guy there. We got the one right under. Which still, this is a cool looking bird. Whoop, 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 there's the poop. Oh, look at this little chest hair. It's gonna give me trouble getting its head off. There's its card there. I have no idea what kind of bird this is. If you know what kind of bird this is just by looking at it, leave a comment and tell me. I'm gonna look it up. It'll be in the description, but maybe you just know. Come on, bird. Why you gotta give me so much trouble? Jeez Louise. If I had a nail, I'd probably break it. Oh, I heard it. I heard the release. Jeez. You know, like the other one I opened the other day, its head just popped right off. This one got like painted on. No speckle on the egg at all. Just a pure white egg for this boy with his head stuck on. God, that was difficult. That was difficult, bird. Alright, let's hit it with the black light. We'll hit these boys back here with the black light too. You know, maybe its eyes will glow or something, but, you know, the bird. The bird. His egg. Yep, that's a real exciting one. What a thumbnail! Took some damage trying to open that thing. Nope. Oh yeah, see its eyes a little bit. Its little crazy eyes. This one with the knife. Its shirt maybe a little bit. That crazy eyed pig. And this one's cheeks maybe a little bit there. Alright, that's gonna do it. Remember, Toy Day keeps peanuts away. We'll see you tomorrow.